was just a boy when I sat down to watch the news on TV. I saw some ordinary slaughterhouse suffering in atrocity. My father said, don't look away, you gotta be strong, you gotta be bold now. He said that in the end it is beauty that's gonna save the world now. And she moves among the spirals, and she floats above the breeze, and she moves among the flowers, and she moves something deep inside of me. I was walking round the flower show like a river, going down with some kind of nervous hysteria. So you're standing there, green as black hair against the pink and purple wisteria. Say, nature boy, are you looking at me with some unrighteous intention? My knees were weak, I couldn't speak, I was having fun, that was not my best interest to mention. And she moves among the flowers, and she floats above the smoke, and she moves among the shadows, and she moves me with just one little loop. You took me back to your place and dressed me up in a deep diver suit. You played the patriot, you raised the flag, you stood that through sell you. Later when we spoke back, that struck me dumb and making it possible to speak. As you closed in slow motion, couldn't suffer the original dream. And she moves among the spirals, and she walks across the sea,